Part of my audience. There's the other two. Yeah, you hold on to that. Why is this? Okay. In America, we value our time more so than any other country in the world. What is your daily schedule like? For me, it's going from class to class and doing other activities with barely any time in between to do much of anything. I know there are plenty of you out there that also feel this struggle and have to deal with the same problems as me. I always used to be someone that would eat out over making food just being so tired and lazy at the end of the day. But I rarely even had the proper food in my fridge in order to make meals that I wanted. I don't know about any of you, but I can't stand grocery shopping. I remember as a kid, I would always get dragged grocery shopping with my mom, and I hated every single minute of it. I think that's part of the reasons why, even as an adult, I still don't like to grocery shop that much. So there's a growing need for people that want their groceries delivered to their home in order to save them a little time from their outside responsibilities like work or school or things like that. In our hyper sense of time, we need to make the most out of every minute. So, naturally, getting your groceries delivered would make the most sense. Sometimes it's actually even easier to get it delivered straight to your house, right to your front door, and by the time you get back from work or school, your groceries are at your door ready to go. So today I'd like to talk to you about first why you need this app, how the app will work, and then the benefits that come from using this app frequently, and the steps you need to make in order to download this app and use it efficiently. So the Kroger Delivery App. There are plenty of food delivery services like these, but not so many grocery store delivery apps yet. I would almost always use apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats out of pure convenience and because it was pretty easy, honestly. And having a meal delivered usually was a lot easier of a choice than making my own meal and having to go buy the ingredients in order to make that meal. So this app is revolutionizing how people shop for their groceries. According to WCPO, Kroger is teaming up with the national delivery service Instacart, which brings several years of experience and a team of professional shoppers and drivers who will be handling the shopping and delivery. So this new service is already being handled by a company with plenty of experience in the marketplace. Like I said, there are already delivery services that offer food services from restaurants like Uber Eats or DoorDash, but they usually upcharge food items from the restaurants on top of an already high delivery and service fee. So a normal $15 meal would actually be closer to $25 by the time you actually pay. And I know there are plenty of you that have gone through the same struggle of ordering delivery just out of convenience, and you don't have the time to walk around and go shopping at Kroger. But other than convenience, don't we all want to save money? Ordering out for every meal adds up. According to the Motley Fool, a personal finance website, most food establishments charge a 300% markup on the items they serve. This means that anytime you spend $15 on an entree, the food you're eating only costs $5 to make. The fact the average American family spends just over $3,000 a year on prepared food means we're all cheating ourselves out of an annual $2,000. So this is the app explained, and right there you can see a picture to the right where it's just the main screen of the app. So this app basically has every single item and a virtual database that is available at that Kroger store. Not every item is available at every store, but you can tell pretty quickly which ones are there. As mentioned earlier, Instacart is the company that hires these personal shoppers, and they usually always get the correct items. I personally haven't had a problem myself. You're constantly being updated on where your shopper is and what items they still have yet to get. If you pick an item in the store that's not currently in stock, your personal shopper will replace that item with something of your predetermined choices. After your shopper has completed your order, your groceries are put into a temperature-controlled room in order to keep things fresh for when they're delivered to your house. After your order is picked up by a driver similar to Uber Eats or DoorDash, there's a GPS map on the app that shows the exact location of your driver and estimated delivery time. And then your groceries will be delivered right to your front door. So this is a quick video, if it'll work. So this is just a quick video of basically the ins and outs of the app, how to use it, just a screen recording. So right now you can see I'm searching for milk and I'm going through my choices, making my decision, and I can go from milk to eggs to banana to butter to onions, whatever I might need. Like you can see here, I'm looking at apples and showing all of you that. And so why you need this app, if we can get there. Students and working professionals are constantly being forced to damage their diet in order to complete their other tasks and responsibilities. These meals are not only expensive that they're getting takeout and delivery from, but they're not usually as healthy as they would be if you were to make the meal yourself. So these meals are both taxing on your wallet as well as your body. Off-premise dining, which includes takeout and delivery, has held an 18% market share of the food industry since 2013. That year, 60% of Americans admitted to ordering food for takeout or delivery at least once a week, showing demand for the market. Our country has started to order more takeout and delivery than ever before, and yes, wholesome options are available, but for the most part, when we are ordering takeout or delivery, it's something easy and most likely comfort food. I personally have found myself saving money from using this app and not ordering out as much. I've used this app at least 20 times and have had maybe one or two problems before as far as incorrect items or anything like that. So the consistency has been great, which is really important in this day and age. And then looking at my bank account, I've saved over $300 just from cutting down on ordering delivery. And as you can see this quote right here, according to the Food Institute's analysis of the United States Department of Agriculture's food expenditure data, millennials spend 44% of their food dollars, or about $2,900 annually, on eating out. This number has increased dramatically since their last data points, which were taken in 2010. So how do you need to satisfy this need? First of all, you need to download the app, which is pretty easy. It's offered on the iTunes apps or the Apple App Store, as well as Android Marketplace. So plug in your location, find the nearest Kroger that offers the service. Like I said, not every single Kroger offers the service, but more and more are starting to. Then you enter your Kroger member number in so you get as many savings as possible, and then start ordering. So finally, to satisfy this need, what will happen if you get this app is you'll save money and look better. If you download this app, you'll eat better, feel better, save money to spend on other things, not just food. And this app can also, not just Kroger delivery, but any grocery delivery app will improve health across America. And then if you don't download this app, you'll continue to spend a lot of money on delivery or takeout and pretty much not change your habits. Like I said, both your wallet and your health will suffer. If you want to save money and eat healthier, make sure you download and start using this app immediately. Thank you.